afternoon. It's Corey and Christy, and it's a balmy 30. Oh, it's 39 now. It was 38 just a minute ago, so it's warmed up.
It's a heat wave.
Yes, it is. We had snow at our house this morning, and we're heading north. We're on our way to Evergreen RV Resort.
Dundee, Ohio.
Yeah, oh yeah, Dundee, Ohio. Sorry. And it's something new for us. We typically don't stay at private campgrounds. We really like our state parks. But this is going to be a different kind of weekend. They've got indoor pool and some other fun stuff. We're going to try to hit Amish country while we're here. So we'll have to show you some of that.
Yeah, some food.
Food, yes. And we also are meeting up with some friends.
Yep, sure are.
Here we are.
Should be a good time.
It should be. So we'll catch up with you later.
See you guys. Got snow. It's cold and windy. It's like 19 degrees.
Well, we're out and about in Amish country. Done a little shopping, and we're going to go into Koblenz Chocolates. I hear they have samples.
Chocolate. Well, look who it is. It's John Straggs. What's up, man? When'd you get here? And Heather.
You're not going to... She's eating chocolate.
Your store sticks are right there.
Where they make the chocolate at.
We're going to make a quick stop here at Weinsberg Meats to get some bacon and some meat seasoning rub. It's awesome stuff.
Yeah, the bacon here is amazing. So if you guys ever get up here,
Yeah.
you definitely want to stop by here and get you some bacon.
Well, all their meat's good, but yeah, we always have to stop for bacon and the seasoning too.
Right.
So we better get in before they close.
Yep. Hey guys, we're going to take a walk around the campground
and show you what it looks like.
Check out the pet wash. This is nice.
Just bring your dog in and hold him down.
Yep. Little blow dryers and everything. This is the office at Evergreen. Thought we'd show you that. A laundromat. Take you inside. Let you see it. I got some camping supplies here in case you need some extras or forget yours. It's like a log cabin in here. It's pretty cool.
She's gonna get one so she can get change.
This is a laundry room. Never seen a laundry room like this at any other campground. It is awesome. I'm gonna go in and check out the pool and the game room. Let you see that.
A very nice pool and hot tub.
Definitely. You'll be surprised. Have air hockey, Video games, a pool table. A very big bear.
Big bear.
Big bear. Well, this is the pool area. It's 23 degrees outside and it's warm in here. Oh, it feels so good. And a hot tub. Oh yeah.
I'm going to go show you how nice and clean the showers are. You have your own room that has a toilet, a sink, and the shower.
Look who it is.
You're the stalkers. We did, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
You guys ready for a remake?
We'll see you in a minute.
Okay.
Really nice.
The Shrek said they do a Father's Day. Thanksgiving and stuff too. Among others.
These nice barbecue grills they let you use. Pop that thing open, baby. Oh yeah. Here's our friends, John and Heather. We're camping with the Shrags. Oh yeah, it was fun. Had a good time.
A little snowy, a little windy.
Yeah.
It's all good. Well, we're mostly packed up, and we thought we'd just let you know what we thought of the campground and kind of tell you a little bit about our weekend before we leave.
It was a very cold weekend.
And windy.
Very cold. 19 degrees.
Yes, and windy and snowy.
Yeah.
It was kind of cool to wake up in the morning and see snow on
Yeah,
the
it
ground.
was. Yeah, it was.
Yeah. And we managed to have campfires both nights we were here, so that was still fun. Yeah. In the sleeting, snow, and
Yeah. It
blowing wind.
It was something.
But we were here with some friends that we met last spring, John and Heather Shrag. There was some more camping with the Shrags.
Check out their YouTube channel.
Yeah, they got a lot of good videos. They're fun people, great people.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
We had
a great time.
Yeah, I had a great time. Got to visit Amish country, as you probably have seen in the video, and we hope that our coverage of the campground kind of gives you an idea of what Evergreen's about,
Yeah.
what they have to offer. We typically stay in state parks, so this was something different for us.
Mm-hmm.
But we had a great time. It's a great facility.
Full hookups.
And yeah, the sites are kind of close together, but you're going to have that in private campgrounds. I mean, they are close together.
Exactly.
There's no way around that.
Mm-hmm.
But they have a lot of amenities and offer a lot of activities.
You've seen the pool area. It was that pool area is just beautiful.
Felt good in the hot tub too.
It did. It did.
And what was really cool is the dog wash. We had planned on washing Zoe, but with as cold as it was, we were just afraid we didn't want her to catch cold. So,
Yeah, exactly.
but it'd be great in the summertime.
Definitely.
So yeah.
Well, think of anything else?
Not really. Just that we had a great time up here and can't wait to come back.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. We'll definitely come back this summer.
Yeah. No, this coming summer.
Yeah.
And like I said, had a great time with our friends. Beat them in a couple games of pool, I think, and then they beat us really bad in air hockey.
Yeah, really bad. It wasn't even, yeah. It was
You'll
bad.
have to check out their video from Evergreen too.
Yeah, they have one.
So yeah,
coming up.
remember to go to some more camping with the Shrags and check them out. They're a lot of fun.
Yep, definitely.
Well, I think we rambled on long enough.
Yeah, we better get out of here, get home.
Yeah, we've got 3.5 at least hours ahead of us. So.
Yeah. So I guess we'll talk to you guys later. And
don't forget to like us and subscribe so that you won't miss our next video.
appreciate that.